Chanchalahi Mana Krishna Pramati Balavad Dridam. Arjuna is telling Krishna in Gita, the mind is very restless, and Pramati Balavad Dridam. Pramati, it's very mad, Pramada, and it's very strong, Balavan, and Dridam, it's very relentless and determined, and it's always, never stops distracting me or disturbing me. Very difficult to control. So he's saying, this is Priyam Priyatam, or my Ishtadev, and who is my Ishtadev? Priya Priyatam. And where do they? Sada. Sada means always. Sada means eternal. Always, not eternal, but always. Where do they? Sada Padam. Where is the Padam? Where is the place where they always stay? Swakundam Tava, your Kund. So that's them, Radha and Krishna, and that's the place. Now what about me? Oh, me? Me is Mama. Mama means me, mine, Mom. Atreva Samvasa Ihaiva. These are interesting words. It's Atra and Iha. Atra Eva, Iha Eva. So in Sanskrit, Atra and Iha. Atra means here and here. Here and here, like you say. In this house only I will live. Like you might propose to your father, oh Dad, we should sell this house and move to another house. He says, no, in this house I will live, and only in this house I will live. So it's repeating. So he says, Atra Iha, Atreva Iha, Atreva Mama Samvasa. Here is my vasa. This is my samvasa, my only place of residence. And then he says, Ihaiva Mama Samstita. Samstita, stan, stita means fixed. Here only I will live, and here only I will stay. Your lake is a dwelling place of you and your beloved Priyatam. Here only I will live, and here only I will stay. I will not move from here. So this is Vilap Kusumanjali. This is our praman of Raghunath Das Goswami. By his example, his precept and his example, he preached and wrote about the glories of Radhakund, and he lived here, practically, as a sadhaka, engaged in the service of the Lord. So one should have a fixed Ishtadev, otherwise, where's he going? Yeah, I'm going to the airport to buy a ticket. Oh, where are you going? I don't know. I have $10,000. I'm going to walk in the airport and see what. You go to the airport, you have no ticket. You don't know where you're going. Somebody say, where are you going? You go to the train station. I want a ticket. Where do you want to go? I don't know. I want to go to Jagannath. I want to go to Nrsingadev. I want to go to Gaurnitai. I want to go to Radha Krishna. I want to go to Govardhan. I want to go to Radhakund. Oh, you better buy many tickets, because this one train only goes to one place. So that's what sadhana is about.